Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. And before you mention it, guys, I know this is not a regular scale. I know this is not a regular video, and I know this is not about cooking. But I bought this thing, I have it here with me. I want to season this beautiful molcajete because I'm preparing a lot of experiments and ideas that I have with sauce for you guys. And I mean, it's a good time also to talk to you guys, to talk to you about what's going on, about how you guys feeling. I'm telling you this, man, it's tough to be at home. It's kind of difficult to be here doing pretty much anything. The good thing about that is that we all know this is gonna go away. We all know this is just temporary and life is gonna get back to normal. And we pretty much are all looking for that. So let me tell you, the first thing you need to do to cure molcajete will be to clean it up really well. This is made out of volcanic rock, which has a lot of pores inside, and it has a lot of little holes in there that will help you a lot when you are creating your sauce. The first thing you're gonna do to cure your molcajete would be to wash it really well. You wash it as much as you can. When you see nothing coming out of it, just put it in water and leave it there for 2 or 3 hours. After that, you just take it out and let it dry. The second thing that you have to do to cure this, and this is a question that I've seen in Amazon a lot. I bought this on Amazon. I was reading some reviews and people was complaining that powder and rocks and little pieces of the molcajete were coming off and getting into their food. That's not a good thing, and definitely that shouldn't happen. After you know your molcajete is 100% clean, we will cure this molcajete with a little bit of rice. I would say about half a cup of rice. You put it in there and you start pounding on it. What's going to happen is, as you are pounding the rice, it's going to start pulverizing everything and create a powder on the bottom of the molcajete. That powder is going to get impregnated into the pores of the molcajete itself, and then you just add a little bit of water, and this is something that you have to keep your eye on it. Don't add too much water, otherwise you're going to be splashing all over the place. Just a little bit of water that will help you get that powder within the pores the molcajete has inside. I would recommend to repeat the process of the rice about 2 times, and the result should be that the rice gets into the molcajete and incorporates itself in there. Once you do it a few times and you wash your molcajete, you're going to see those white dots in it, and that will be there forever, guys, and it's going to help you to season anything that you put on it. After it is all clean and looking good, we're going to season it again, and this time it's going to be with salt. In this case it's sea salt, 4 garlic cloves, and a whole jalapeno pepper cut into pieces. We're going to start pounding this up so the salt and the oils from the garlic and from the pepper are going to penetrate the molcajete and stay with it forever. There is so many things wrong with this world right now that it can certainly be overwhelming, but the idea of being home with your family is something that needs appreciation. All this free time can be translated into looking towards the future and come out with a better plan for it. Getting back in touch with what life normally have little time for, and talk to your friends and other family members that we only see occasionally.
Every day I am cooking. Like tomorrow I'm doing shank over a beautiful braised, well hopefully it will be braised, but over vegetables, everything. Putting wine in there, it's going to be amazing. Then the next day, my freezer is full. Every day I'm cooking. It's going to be awesome.
Are you going to be cooking this weekend like crazy or not?
We're going to do quite a bit of grilling, I tell you that for sure.
Nice.
I got a couple New York strips that I got to cut down to be around 46 days. Well, we got our first glimpse of spring, and so today we're nice and warm outside, and then winter came back tonight. But everyone's walking, with the proper 6 feet away from one another, trying to get out and shake off those winter blues. Yeah, we're doing a New York strip steaks today, charcoal rub, caveman style. If you haven't seen it, I just posted a video on the other day.
You're gonna drop it there on top of the fire?
Just like that, right there in the charcoal. It's gonna be amazing. You know what? I was talking to someone today, and they were like, "Josh, I spend so much money eating out, and I'd be saving so much money now that I notice how much I spend on breakfast, lunch, and dinner." And they're like, and even buying your products, I still save money, but I actually love it. We got our freezer stocked up with some great items for barbecue. We're doing a bunch of barbecue videos. I got me 2 things of beef ribs, so I could use John's method that I saw in your video today. And, we're gonna do it up real right, dude. Them beef ribs, so they're killer, brother.
Do you see those ribs, brother? Oh man.
Dude. I was drooling. I had to wash my beard off. It looks so good, man.
That is as important as anything else in life. And it is the reason why we keep doing what we are doing, even when we don't have the time to stop and realize on it. A pause moment, something we often ask for, has been forced on us, and it's up to us to decide what to do with it. So there you have it, guys. That's exactly the way you should look at them, with the rice and with the spices, and this baby is already cured. That's all we needed to do. That's all it needs. We're gonna be doing a lot of sauce in here, guys. Sauce for steaks, sauce for tacos, sauce for fajitas, sauce for everything. And we're gonna use this because this is the typical way of doing it. And to tell you the truth, the sauces are better when you make them in the Molcajete. It's not expensive at all. I'm gonna put the link on the description so you guys can check out the prices. And maybe you can order one of those if you want to follow the recipes. But remember, every sauce that I will do here, you can make it in any other way. The only thing is the Molcajete creates a consistency in the sauce that is completely different to anything else, and that's what I really love about it. This is just a random video I came out with, just for you guys to know, this is temporary, guys. Everything is gonna be okay at the end. Everything is gonna be fine. If they say you shouldn't get out of the house, don't get out of the house unless it's really necessary. And take this time to be with your family, to enjoy your kids or your grandkids, to spend time with them. Sometimes life is really, really fast and we miss a lot of things, I can't tell you, I remember that yesterday my daughter was 4 years old. Now she's 16, and that time flies for me. So use that time to get in touch with your friends, with your family, to spend good time with your kids and your grandkids and everybody in your family. I know there is a lot of negativity around this problem that we're having right now, but everything has a positive view, and you should find that positive view. So guys, that's all for today. If you have anything to say, if you have any comment, just put it down there. We read all the comments and we try to answer all the comments. And don't forget that I'm putting a link to all my friends' channels down there in the description of the video. Check it out, enjoy it, watch some videos, get some time with your family, enjoy this forced vacation, and remember that it's just temporary. We're gonna be okay. Love you.